Hello, we are continuing our series of writing data from ESP32 in ESP IDF environment to MySQL database on the PC. In the previous videos, we opened the directory for the ESP project, only the directory. We set up the Node.js server and set up the MySQL database on the PC. In this video, we will try to check by means of Postman the complete way to post data from Postman with REST post command to the Node.js middleware server and to MySQL database. Okay, so we have here our Node.js file, and here our workbench with the DB1 v1 stream DB database with table v1, which is called table v1 with the following fields. Let's try to run it. Okay, the server is running and listening on port 85, and let's try to send a command with Postman, the post command, to the local host with the same port like here, you see, 8085, and the post command. Our post command will write data from Postman. This is the field that we want to write inside our MySQL database. We will run it, and here we will see an error. He can't perform the command insert time and data inside the database. If we will look it up, he received, it was listening to the port, it was connected. He received the time in mils in the beginning of the program. Then the middleware received the data from Postman, the data itself, and it also has a time which is a little bit further. And when he tried to write it to MySQL database, the error occurred. The error was out of range inside time column. If we will see here, we have a time column of type integer, and this number is greater than integer, so it caused an error. So for simplicity's sake, we will change it to varchar 45, the same one as here, and apply the command. Finish. The command was successfully performed. So now we have two fields with which can receive 45 characters. Let's close this session, open the new one, and run the server again. Now he is listening. We will go to Postman and perform the same post command. Here we see that he received the data, have the time, and succeeded to perform the writing to the database. Now let's check inside the workbench, MySQL workbench, if the data was actually written. We are going to table v1. It's here. You see table v1. I pressing here. Okay, and it's updated it. This is an old version. We'll close it. This is our table, updated table. We have our meals. This is a time. and this is the time 063, and our data is data from Postman. So we successfully published the data from the Postman via Node.js middleware inside MySQL workbench. Now let's just check if the server can respond to the get commands. So we will go back to the Postman, go to the get command to the local host on the same port, and perform the get command. Get function was activated. Get function was activated. We received this message, and inside our Node.js console we can see the data from the table was written to us. Read the data from MySQL table. The get command here first sends that the get command was received, and after it sends the data from the table, which we can see here. Please note that this is the same data that we have here. So in this video we checked the entire chain of command from the Postman to the Node.js server and to the MySQL workbench, and we see that we succeeded to write the same data into the MySQL database. In our next video, we will do the same from the ESP32 ESP IDF environment. Thank you.